What is happening, my friends? Hope everybody's doing well. What's up there, biker bro? So today I want to talk about something that's, let's say, a little controversial. So I'm gonna roll that intro and then we'll get into it. So, a little bit of controversial topic today. I want to talk about cancel culture. Everything that has been going on over the past few years, and like even over the past couple months, it's been getting kind of ridiculous. So I'm part of the Gen X generation, and it seems like they are trying to cancel everything we grew up with. Now, recently, they're getting rid of Mr. Potato Head. Like, Mr. fucking Potato Head. A toy that keeps his spare parts in his ass. And it's not like it's sexist. If you watch Toy Story, there's a Mrs. Potato Head. Dr. Seuss. I mean, we all grew up on Dr. Seuss. The Cat in the Hat, Green Eggs and Ham. Yeah, it's mind-boggling. I don't understand it. So people are offended by Mr. Potato Head, Dr. Seuss, oh, a song from the movie Grease, Summer Lovin', you know, but yet they'll let their teenage girl go on TikTok shaking her fucking booty to the WAP song. Do y'all know what the WAP song is? If you don't, the WAP song means wet ass pussy. And you got fucking little girls, teenagers running around fucking singing this shit. But yet, Dr. Seuss, it's... I'm ranting. I apologize for ranting. You know what? No, I don't apologize for ranting because it's my feelings. I'm allowed to have my feelings. It's part of being an American. I mean, what's next? Are they going to start selling a knocked up teenage Barbie? And parents will probably buy that for their children. But yet, Mr. Potato Head's offensive. Now, I do not know what this world is coming to. As a Gen Xer, like everything I grew up with, all the shows, all the toys and everything else are bad. Yeah, just erase our history. So, all right, I'm done with this video. I'm done ranting. Yeah. Guys, thanks for watching. Seriously, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to comment, please comment down below. You want to give me a negative comment? Come on, I welcome it. Oh, yeah, that's another thing. The negativity, okay? I see on all these social media pages, all this social media stuff, no negative comments, blah, blah, blah. Now, you're putting yourself out there for whoever to see, unless you got a private account on something. But YouTube, you know, you're putting yourself out there. Not everybody is going to like what you do, and some people are going to comment on it. I think it was Chopper Fett that said you need to have a thick skin, and that's the deal. You know, not everybody's going to love you. Not everybody's going to give you a high five. I'm sorry to say that. So accept the negativity, you know, maybe grow from it. How about we try that? So I welcome any comment. You want to be positive? Awesome. You want to be negative? That's your choice. That's fine. I will accept it. And you know what? Even if you're negative, I will answer you back. All right, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. And until next time, my friends, stay safe and love one another, because we could all use a little love. Peace.